This video is for education purpose only, and in this video we want to see how to download and use images from Canva. So let's go to Google Chrome and search for Canva website. This is the very first website. So let's log in to this. Here let's create one image. I want to create a car landscape. So suppose I want to search for motorcycle. Let's go to elements, motorcycle. Now you see some of the images here, they have a crown. That means they are paid images or they are premium images. So in order to use them, see, this is the image which I want to use. Now you see this image is having some watermark like diamond lines are there. How to use the one which is freely available? So for this, we just have to use Google's inspect tool. Right click anywhere and or press F12 to go to this F inspect tool. Now here use this selector, element selector, and click on the icon from here. So here you will see once you click that, then the element becomes selected thing becomes visible. Here under this div tag, this is the selected one. Below this is the image tag, and if you go here, hover your mouse over here, you will see the URL over here. Click on this one. Now just copy the image from here. See, there are no watermarks on this page, so you can go to this page. Here right click, paste. Now this is how we can use our images from Canva. So I hope it was informative. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.